Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Director of Stationery and Printing, Odisha, Cuttack, from manufacturers for supply of printing machinery and equipment. Details of tender documents can be obtained on any working day during office hours from the 10th to 20th September 2012 on payment of rupees 1000 either in cash or by money order from the office of the director. Those who want to get the tender documents by post are required to pay an additional sum of rupees 200 as postal charges. An earnest money deposit of rupees 50,000 is required. Completed tenders should reach the director by 2 p.m. on the 1st October 2012 and they will be opened in the presence of the tenderers at 3 p.m. The director reserves the right to accept or reject any or all tenders and alter the terms and conditions of tender without giving any reason therefor. Draft tender notice. 2. Applications are invited for the post of Assistant Library and Information Officer at the National Institute of Malaria Research, New Delhi. Scale of pay for the post is rupees 9,000 to rupees 25,000 with a grade pay of rupees 5,000. Usual allowances as admissible under the rules will also be paid. Qualification required is MA and Bachelor of Library Science. The candidate should have 3 years experience in a scientific institute. He should have also experience in handling computers and software relating to library operations. Age should be below 28. Application forms can be had from the Office of the Director, National Institute of Malaria Research, New Delhi, and these forms duly completed should reach the Director on or before 30th August 2013. Canvassing with reference to selection will be considered a disqualification. Draft advertisement. 3. Imagine that you were on your way to your office and saw an accident. A man was riding a motorcycle on Medavakkam Main Road, Chennai on Monday morning. He was a native of Namakkal district. He was on his way to work when he was suddenly hit from behind by a lorry carrying a consignment of rice. Unfortunately, he came under the wheels of the lorry and died at once. The lorry driver has been arrested and police investigation is on. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.